Hello everyone. Welcome back to Step by Step English.
We all have a family. A warm and lovely family. But, do you know how to say each family member in English?
Oh, no!
Lesson of today is family members. Let's learn together in a fun and easy way.
Listen to this short story.
This is Brian. And this is Sylvia. Brian and Sylvia get married.
Brian is the husband, and Sylvia is the wife.
Brian and Sylvia have a baby boy. His name is Albert.
Brian is Albert's father, and Sylvia is Albert's mother.
Albert is Brian and Sylvia's son. Brian and Sylvia are Albert's parents. Brian and Sylvia have another baby. She is a girl. Her name is Alice. Alice is Brian and Sylvia's daughter. Alice and Albert are Brian and Sylvia's children. Albert is Alice's brother. Alice is Albert's sister. Alice and Albert are siblings. With the passing years, children grow into adults, and parents grow old. Alice got married to Sam. And they had twins, baby boy and baby girl. The boy's name is Thomas and girl's name is Jessica.
Brian is Jessica and Thomas's grandfather. Sylvia is Jessica and Thomas's grandmother. Jessica is Brian and Sylvia's granddaughter, and Thomas is Brian and Sylvia's grandson. Brian and Sylvia are grandparents. Jessica and Thomas are grandchildren.
Albert is Jessica and Thomas's uncle.
Jessica is Albert's niece. Thomas is Albert's nephew.
Over the years, Albert got married to Diana, and had 2 children. The daughter's name is Anna, and the son's name is Edward.
Alice is Anna and Edward's aunt. Anna is Alice's niece. Edward is Alice's nephew.
Anna and Edward are Jessica and Thomas's cousins.
Jessica and Thomas are Anna and Edward's cousins. Hello everyone, my name is Albert. And these are my parents. My father's name is Brian, and my mother's name is Sylvia. This is my wife. Her name is Diana. We have 2 children. My daughter's name is Anna, and my son's name is Edward.
This is my lovely family. Now, it's your turn. Share with us your family members in the comments below.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more English learning. See you in the next lesson.